Hello everyone, a warm good evening to all of you. This is me, Tapash Pradhan, student of political science, and I would like to welcome to all of you to this our discussion of the previous year question, solving the 100 question series. So in this session, I will include both the your paper 1, paper 2 for the UGC point of view, and it will be helpful for all of us. So you can see in the basically screen the first question, that which of the following statement or the are acceptable. Okay, so here the answer is like you can see that deduction we infer general. Okay, so from particular it is incorrect, because deduction talks about the general to particular. First statement, deduction we infer particular from general. Yes, we derive the particular from the general, so first is correct. And C, in deductive argument, conclusion said to follow from its premises with necessity. Okay, so deductive argument, what the conclusion basically follow from where, from the basically premise with necessity. So from particular to the general, that is how no, it's also seem to incorrect. Okay, deductive argument conclusion said to follow from premise basically continuously. Yes, it's incorrect, and option C is correct, because that premise will be the conclusion is followed by the premise. Okay, true of the conclusion followed by the true of the premise. So A and C is answer. The answer is B. Then next question, that question number 3, that talks about hermeneutics circle refer to what? So hermeneutic circle is referred to the community which share a interpretation of a text. Okay, so it is all about interpretation of the text. That is how hermeneutic circle. Okay, so option C is our answers. Okay, then next question in front of you, that the one of the following which is not associated with the positivism. Okay, so positivism, so option A, Motis Selix, option B, Auguste Comte, option C, Isaiah Berlin, and option D, Saint Simon. So Isaiah Berlin is our answer. Isaiah Berlin not related to the positivism, because Isaiah Berlin belongs to multicultural thinker, a contemporary thinker. Okay, then Hegel's philosophical method. Next question, Hegel's philosophical method involve developing idea rather than mere concept. Because of what? Because he wanted to capture the concept and its actualization. So he talks about the absolute. Hala? Absolute idea, that is how actualizations, okay, or capture the concept. So there already a class on YT by our the YouTube channel. Okay, so go through that, will also helpful for you. Okay, then next question. Okay, next question, a proposition is knowable a priori when it can be known without experience of the real world. Okay, so without experience of the real world, with your priori. Okay, with your prior knowledge, you can make a guess about something. That is how without experience of the real world. So without not entering the scope of knowledge, you can make a educative guess on the basis of your the previous knowledge. So that is how option D. So your homework, go and search post priori and priori, so it will be also helpful. Okay, so two concepts are there, post priori and priori. Then historicism is ideology, talks about belief history is governed by modes of production. Okay, so historicism, that the history is governed by modes of the production. Okay, then in Hobbes method, next question, in Hobbes method laws of nature are what? So Hobbes method laws of nature are what? That talk about detect of reason to which we may agree. Okay, so laws of nature, what we will be, what laws of nature to the individual or the people will we agree, okay, to form a state. Okay, laws of nature tells that the cruelness in the state of nature, the war of in the state of nature, okay, and laws of nature also uh, depict here that individual should leave the state of nature and form a state or the government by the social contract. So this is what laws of nature teach, dictate to the region to which we may agree. Next question in front of you, that next question, that question number 11, you can see interpretism and identities figure mostly prominent in the theoretical debate on what. So it is the theoretical debate on critical international relation approach, because interpretism and identity, they are based on the critical interpretation relation approach. Okay, then which of the next question number 12, which of the following is involved in archival research. So it is involved what, the observing or interacting with sorry the conducting a statistical analysis of any data collected. Option C. Option B, the conducting interview with particular participant in the field. Option A, studying historical document and records, okay, that available already in a systems to study that historical document and records, that is known as archival research. What is the discourse analysis? Next question talks about the concept of the discourse analysis include what. So it include the closely examining test to identify a predominant themes or pattern, looking for option B, or looking for silence in basically argument and statements or what is not clearly stated. Okay, option C, using a genealogical approach to look at how a political concept or idea has developed over time. Okay, option D, all of the above. So all are related to discourse analysis. Okay, getting my point. So next question in front of you, that question number 15, the one of the following is a system. Okay, is a system of classification by which state, institutions, process, political culture, etc. are divided into groups with common set of attributes, that is what, typology. So that basically concept, like be it process, be it institution, be it states, the different like political culture, that divided into groups and it is based on the set of attribute, that is what, typology. Okay, let's solve few of the political science question related.